everybody. There's a mystery KiwiCo box right for us right here.
Hi everybody at home. We're gonna go do another Kiwi box.
It was a monster one.
It's got monster wrapping. We don't know what's in it.
Yeah, so let's open it up.
So let's open it up.
I see what. It's a yellow.
It's a yellow?
Yeah.
Wow.
It's 2 layers.
2 layers. I didn't want you to know what was in there.
I know it's yellow.
Oh, now it's yellow. Okay, let's take a look at the front. What does it say? So, looks like we got cars. I wonder what's in it. I don't know what's in it. What's in it? What's in it? We got our instruction booklet.
It's a racing car challenge.
It's a racing car challenge. Okay, let's let everybody see. Let's jump everything on the table. What do we got? Oh, lots of different things. Let's see what we got here.
No, that's not the instructions.
What's that? Huh? Well, let's see what we got. So we got some blank paper. Some blank paper.
This is the instructions.
We got a book.
No, that's the instructions.
Instructions. We got something.
That's
we
a
got
racing car drive.
something else.
That's a racing car drive.
All right, let's open the bags.
No, that's a racing car drive.
Okay, I will take your hint for it. Let's see.
Oh, fun car!
Yeah, fun cars.
I'm gonna push everything out.
Let's try and open these up. See what we got in here.
I'm gonna push these out.
Push. Not yet. Not yet. Let's look what's in the bags.
It's okay.
Here, you open that bag.
I'm gonna put this back in.
Okay.
See?
We wanna look at what we got. See what we got. See what we got. Wow. Look, this is so cool. Look at all these neat little things. Isn't that so cool? All right.
We got a truck.
So then we're gonna do this the mommy way. Mommy likes to organize. Look at what we've got.
Yeah.
Look at what was in the box. What are we doing?
Making
We're making this. They are cars. Cars, right?
Yeah. Car.
Cars. Okay.
Oh no, the wheels are running away.
All right, so we're just going to leave that there.
I know the wheels are running away.
So we got a whole big fold out right here.
No.
What does it look like? Does it look hard? Do you
Look
think
at the truck.
Do you think you can do it? Okay, let's see. Let's go check it out. All right, so let's see. So are we gonna do the automobile workshop first? We're gonna do the automobile workshop first?
Yeah.
All right, so we need the foam cars, long and short sticks. We need the wood truck. We need the gray wheels. We need the foam bumpers, and then we need the thin and thick wheels right here, which we all have right here.
The cars are fighting.
Oh, the cars are fighting? Well, let's go ahead and start with...
The cars are still fighting.
Okay. Can we get the wheels together now?
Yes.
Okay, so...
That car just like pulled the other car away.
Okay, all right.
Like, you.
So which car can Mommy have, and which car do you want?
What do some others... What? You do this side of the car. I do this side of the car.
Well, why can't I do this car and you do that car?
Because we want to do it together.
Because you want to do it together?
Yeah, one car. Do you want to do that?
Okay. All right, we're going to go do both of us on one car. So we're going to go and push step by step. We're going to push 4 short sticks into foam buttons. So 4 short sticks. So how many is that? How many do you have?
4, 2.
How many do you have? 2? Make
4.
4. Okay, so we're going to go ahead. You do 2, and I do 2. Okay, so we're going to do one of the stick, one of the foam. We're going to put them together like that. Can we do that?
Yeah.
Alright, so let's go ahead and put this. Nope, not quite. It's not what it looks like. We're going to put through one side. So then you're going to put this one through this one. Like this.
Then
And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. We we're now made a car. Isn't that cute, cool? Alright, so we're going to do the same thing with our red one.
I want that.
So we're going to do the same thing with
What's
our
this?
red one. We're going to do the same thing with our red one.
My what? They fighting over again.
Okay. Can you do the same thing for me on these 2?
Yes.
Okay. So, step number 4 is add a gray wheel to each foam stick, then push the foam button on top. You're going to, step 5, adjust the sticks and buttons so that they're even on both sides of the car. Okay, so then the next one, we're going to do a truck. Can we do a truck?
They might want this.
Yeah. Wow.
It was a backflip.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't know that.
No, I didn't know that.
What's this?
So the next one we're going to do is a truck. So we're going to take this wooden truck stencil wooden truck outline, and we're going to apply tires to them.
My watch.
We're going to move on with the truck. So the truck, the front is going to be a longer dowel compared to the back one, because it wants us to use a thicker wheel. So we're going to go ahead
Thicker wheel.
and put
Thicker wheel.
this on the bottom,
There we go.
and then that on that side.
There's only one car, so we have to do.
And then it's going to take the shorter one,
No, this is. I do this side.
and then
Hey!
the shorter on the smaller one. We're going to put this on the other side,
On the back.
on the back.
And you know what? I do the other side.
Yeah.
If there's only one.
So once again, to recap what we've done in a span of less than 30 seconds, was we went ahead and we pushed the stick into the foam button, from the foam button, then put the wheel on, put another wheel on the other side, and then put a foam button on it. We're going to repeat.
A monster truck.
Yep, we're going to repeat from the front and the back, and create a monster truck, which we're going to then destroy all the foam. What's that? VW cars? So, do you know what I would do if I had a DeLorean?
What?
I would drive from time to time. Ha ha ha! Because you can go back in time.
Yeah, but you have to watch out for trains.
Yes, you do have to watch out for trains. So, for the next part, we are doing a racing ramp. And it's going to look like this.
Boop, 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 boop. Mommy, you know what happens?
So we're going to use our completed cars. We're going to use a support bar, a starter piece, sides, a checkered tape, and the ramp. So we're going to start with our ramp, and we want to add sides to a ramp. What do we do with the sides? How do we put them together? Do you think it goes that way?
Yeah.
Where does it go? It looks like it goes this way.
Why?
Because on the picture, look at the picture. Do you see? Do you see where it, the black is up here, right? And then the gray is down here for the ramp. So which side do you think needs to go up? Good job.
Now I gotta do.
What?
Take this back with the future with me.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
But while he's going back in time, I'm going to go ahead and finish this.
No! I will do. I'll take everything with me. Bye-bye.
Okay, so let's see. Let's finish this up. Okay, it looks pretty neat.
But the circle's
Oh,
here.
wait. No. Oh, yeah. Okay, and then we're going to need a supporter bar. 'Cause see how flaky this is? It needs a little piece to hold it together.
Yeah, it's on the baggie.
We're going to push the support bar into the slots.
There we go.
Then we've already dropped the starter piece on the slot.
Oh
Oh, no.
no! Why is it still falling apart when we made it? Oh, that's falling apart.
Okay, so it looks like, yeah, there we go. We got to slot it into place like that. So your final ramp, it's going to look a little like this. And then so this, you can pull it out, put it in. Look. And this is what you're going to put your cars next to. So I'm going to go ahead and put this car back together.
This car in the middle. Was it sad?
Can I erase it? Can I erase? This is my
Yeah.
car. This is my car.
Ready, set, go!
Oh, the truck went very far. This one we decided it was going to go back in time.
Yeah.
And there you have it. So step 1 was to add the sides to the ramp. Step 2 was to then put the supporter piece up and slot those into place. The step 3 would be putting the starter piece up like that. And then step 5 would be...
I won.
Step 4 was to put the vehicles behind the starter ramp so that way they're ready to go. And then step 5 is to pull the starter piece to let the cars go and see which one goes first.
I'm the red one.
Okay, you're the red one, I'm the yellow one. Oh,
Whoever went past the line halfway won.
Okay, so
So I
you
won.
win regardless that I am in front.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is a delightful activity. This is very easy, very simple, very well put together.
What's this?
It's going to be durable.
If I pass that line, that means I win.
Ooh, I won.
No, my finger was in the way.
Okay. And Mommy will always lose because my kid will always win. So I liked this little box. This was pretty cool.
Did I win?
Yes, you did. Yes, you did. Are you happy?
Yes.
All right. We do have some of these lines that you can go ahead and put on the counter or wherever, so that way when they finish and they get across, you got your little race course. This one.
What's
So
those
that
for?
one is, we're going to need the foam shapes. So we're going to keep going, putting this over here. We need the foam shapes.
For what? Mommy.
We are going to need the stamp pad right here.
Yeah?
We're going to need a piece of paper. So now we know why we have this huge piece of paper. It's almost like a poster.
Yeah.
So we're going to put those on the front. That's the reason why these front pieces are so thick. It's so big. So that way you can apply that. And while you do that, I will open up the stamp pad. So what we are accomplishing is we took our completed truck here.
Yeah.
We put our cool little tire treads, because we're going to make little tire treads with these. We stuck the foam shapes on here. Then we're going to roll these on the stamp pad and then run them across the paper for lots of cool little shapes and different types of treads. You can experiment placing different foam shapes in different areas, kind of to make your own really neat tire tread, and to mark the road where your truck goes. So this is about learning. The learning is the bumpers, the bumps and grooves you can see on the tires are called treads. Treads. Treads keep the cars from slipping and sliding on the road. They are important to keep everybody safe. So that's why we have treads on our tires. Isn't that cool? Isn't that neat? So this is what we're going to do, is we're going to go ahead and run that through, and then we're going to make these cool shapes and stuff. Okay, so are you ready? Do you like your treads?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go ahead and try it out. So we're going to try out one side. Okay, can you go on the other? And then we'll go a little bit harder on the other side. Okay. Okay. Can you go ahead and make your own tire tread? Wow.
Oh no.
Oh no, it's almost out of paint, isn't it? But isn't that cool how you see your pattern? The pattern of the tire tread based off of what you've put. Alright, so this would conclude our cars box. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
What was your favorite? Did you like building the car? Did you like building the ramp? Or do you like making tire treads?
I love everything.
You love everything. Was it very easy or was it hard for you?
Very easy.
Very easy. Okay, so this would be the Cars crate. And there you have it. We've got that Cars Kiwi box. So thank you very much, everybody, for joining us. I hope to see you later.
Goodbye.
Like and subscribe. Bye-bye.